So my girl Malia here is such a princess that she has so much hair, she's going to donate some to Locks of Love. Because she is a trendsetter and she loves the people. And she got more than enough. She can share. Alright?
Malia, tell us about your hair.
Well, it's hard, it's really hot, and during the summer I dyed. And it's really hard to wash with, kind of
So much
comb.
hair. So look, this is a lot of hair. We cut it off, but you're gonna have. It's gonna be so much easier.
Oh my God.
You ready? It's for a good cause. You ready? Hold your head up straight. Yes, queen.
Yes.
She's like, oh my
Yes.
God.
Yes.
You look so cute. You like it?
Still has a lot of hair. And guess what? It's also her birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Yes.
So, how do you feel?
I am, oh my God.
You can still get a ponytail.
Yeah.
Yay!
I gotta trim up because